Well, if you've watched me for any length of time, you've heard me talk about what is the most effective form of marketing for us, which is video, educational video to owner clients. And I know you're like, oh, Mark, I don't like the way I sound. I don't look good. I don't know what to say. I've tried it, but I end up just talking and it doesn't work for me, Mark. Well, now it can, because of Clockwork Media. These are property managers who understand what we do, and they've created a company to help people like you and people like me crack the code on how to do video education for your owner clients. They can even create an artificial AI-generated you. It's you, but it's AI you. And it never ums and ahs, and it's very smooth and slick. They can write the script if you want them to. They can post it online if you don't know how to click that button to get it done, or they can just assist you. It's a comprehensive marketing platform for video. They can do it all. My friends, it's time to start utilizing the power of video. Jump on their website, Clockwork Media Inc. Look at some samples of things that they've done. Find out how you can finally stop worrying about how you sound and use Clockwork Media to get video under control and grow your business.